Troubleshooting an NP error message on an LG dryer. LG makes it easy to diagnose problems with your dryer should you run into any issues. If an issue occurs, the dryer is programmed to communicate diagnostic messages, displayed as codes that can assist you or a technician in getting the unit back to optimum performance. If you are seeing an NP code on your LG dryer's display, this indicates that there is a problem with the electrical wiring in the home and that no current is being detected at the heater. Here are a few troubleshooting steps that may help you resolve the issue. First, check the power cord connection. Make sure the power cord is securely plugged into a grounded outlet matching the dryer's rating plate of 240 volts. Next, locate the circuit breaker in your home that supplies power to the dryer. Turn it off for at least 10 seconds to clear any power surge inside the breaker. If the NP code remains, inspect the home outlet. The outlet may need to be checked by a licensed electrician in order to ensure that the correct voltage is supplied to the dryer. If the outlet checks out fine, the unit may require repair service. Please visit our Request a Repair page. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.